Hello guys, you are watching Vijay's Classroom. So today we discuss about the TCS Elevate Wings one. So we cover the technical track 12, which is test automation. So we are covering the Selenium MCQ, which is asked in previously. So most important MCQ we are covered in this video. So keep watching in my channel. So the first question is, when was Selenium developed? So the which is the year the Selenium is developed? 2004, 5, 6, and 7. So it is 2004 Selenium was developed. So the correct answer is 2004. Then second question is, who developed Selenium? So the option is Dan Cottle, Jason Huggins, and Rosemont Glump. So the correct option is Jason Huggins. So Jason Huggins developed the Selenium. So this is a basic question. So you must know about this type of question. It is necessary to know. It might be come into the elevating on exam. So does Selenium support variety of language? Yes, Selenium support variety of language. Selenium support Java, Selenium support Python, Ruby, Perl, etc. So Selenium support variety of languages. Then fourth question is, can we deploy Selenium on the different platform other than Windows? So yes, we can deploy the Selenium code other than Windows. We can deploy this in the Mac. We can deploy in this in the Linux as well. So we can deploy this in the Mac, and we can deploy this in the Linux if possible. So it is possible. So which of the browsers support Selenium? Google Chrome, Safari, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, and all the above. So the correct option is Selenium supports all the browser. So there is no foundations of the supporting. So this is the basic five questions. You are keep watching this channel. So we are covering a lot of questions regarding the Selenium. Thanks for watching. If you need this type of content, please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Bye. Have a nice day.